When you do have long runs of interlocked barricades and you can't break them from the middle, what happens when you need access points? What we have here is a steel barrier gate. Andrew Hession with SONCO. I'd like to show right here the steel barrier gate, a great accessory here when you have long runs of barricade that are interlocked. Still 16 gauge, the same material as the line guards, same height, 43 inches high. It's 4 feet in length. You have 2 wheels on the bottom that it comes with, as well as the gate latch. Gate latch opens and closes, allows the gate to swing open and close. You're going to see here the latch is going to interlock into the female loop here. And on the other end, it hooks up with the hooks of the adjacent barrier. You can put this barrier gate at any point in your barricade line. This is a great accessory to have for your events, for crowd control.
For effective crowd management, SONCO's steel barrier gate provides smooth entry and exit access control, improving the flow and organization of any event. Contact us now